Okay, so in this video, in this short Figma tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change from grid into columns in Figma. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second and subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. So now I'm just going to click on here we have rectangle and here we have frame. So I'm going to click on F and just drag frame here. And now here we're going to need some layout or auto layout. Here we have auto layout, and here we have auto grid, so we need auto grid. So here I'm just gonna click on this and I can change size, color, but here I can change from grid to columns. So it's kind of like hidden, I suppose, because it took me some time to find where it was located, but here we go. This is how you do it. So yeah, let's say we have a new frame, and here we're just gonna click on, so on this frame we have a layout, and here let's say I'm adding another one here, different frame, we have layout grid. So here just the style, browse libraries, whatever, but if you click on here to add the layout, to add a grid, we have grid now. But here if you click on this part here, grid, we can change from grid to rows to columns, and we can unhide this, and we can also click on here to remove it. So we can add like two, let's say three. One is columns, the other one is grid, and the third one is rows. So yes, you can do this. You can have all three in one frame, which is really nice. To hide it, just click on here, hide or unhide. To remove it, click on here. And that's basically the layout grid. And that's what you have to do. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.